The number one crime I see committed by new plant owners is watering too much. I've done it myself too, so I do understand, and giving a plant the right amount of water can be confusing, but there are a few simple ways to get it right. How much water a plant needs very much depends on its natural environment. Dry desert plants can go for a while without water, whereas tropical rainforest plants need regular showers and high humidity. Check your plant's product page to find out what it needs. Before you water, always check if your plant needs it. Stick your fingers in the soil and have a feel. Most houseplants prefer the top inch of soil to be dry before a drink. So if the soil feels moist at the top, you probably don't need to water it. If it's dry, then it's watering time. I prefer one proper water every now and then to little top-ups, because this can lead to moldy problems. And when you water, make sure that you give the plant enough so that it starts to come out of the plastic holes in the bottom of the pot. Plants hate having wet feet or roots, so it's essential that you wait for this water to drain away before you put it back into its decorative pot. I tend to leave mine in the sink for an hour or so. Also, never repot your plants straight into decorative pots without drainage holes, because you could drown your plant. If your plant is looking a little sad, watering could well be the problem. If the leaves are yellowing or droopy, you might be watering too much, or you may not have proper drainage. So let the plant dry out and give the roots room to breathe. A plant with dry, curling leaves probably needs more water or humidity. Try moving it to the bathroom or the kitchen, where they'll get more moisture from the air. And remember, if in doubt, always check the soil first. If you're going away and you're concerned about leaving your plants behind, there are a few things you can do to keep them alive. There are a couple of useful gadgets which promise to keep your plants happy while you can't tend to them. Water bulbs slowly drip water into your plant's soil to keep it hydrated, while hydrospikes allow the plant itself to suck up water when it needs. A cheaper way is to put one end of a cloth in a glass of water and the other damp end in the soil of the plant. As the plant needs moisture, it'll wick it up through the cloth. For larger plants, water well and put several layers of damp newspaper on top of the soil before you catch that flight. But the best way is to ask someone to plant sit. Ask a green-loving friend to pop round once a week to check in. In our next lesson, we'll be talking about how much light your plant needs.